A world free of pollution and toxicity. Instead, I return to witness this. A world without greenery. A world with as much pollution as the toxic planet Gormanu. The insignificance called this smaller planet Earth. This planet must be purged of its parasites. They give no regard to the natural energy of this world. This air is tainted with pollution. Humanity must cease to exist so this planet can live again.
This is a second wave. I hope you're ready.
Is it ready? Now I'm ready.
I have to go, Thalia. I've caused too much destructions. I don't know how I thought I could have been a hero. All I know is I have to end this.